Hopefully you've already realized how valuable tasks can be when it comes to managing your team's activities.
You may have also realized that you're spending a lot of time entering the same tasks over and over again, day after day.
Thankfully, Unsightly has something called activity sets, which let you bundle together groups of tasks and assign them with just a couple of clicks.
Like an automated task factory.
A task factory. Let's check out activity sets. All right, here we are looking at a few of our leads. Let's check out Joseph, for example. And Tony, where do we go to apply an activity set?
We'll go up to the Actions menu, and we'll select the Add Activity Set option, and you'll be presented with a list of your activity sets.
We have one activity set created already for leads specifically.
Right. And this will show the tasks or events that are listed in your set.
Change responsibility.
Let's assign something to Barry there.
Good.
Thanks, Barry. All right, now those tasks all created at once. And just like any other task, if they're set up to receive notifications when tasks are assigned to them, they'll get those notifications by email.
Okay, so we're looking at those same leads again, and there's also a way to apply activity sets in bulk, correct?
Right, so you can select multiple leads and then click the Add Activity Set icon, and it's basically the same process.
Very good. So the key question now, Tony, how do we create these activity sets?
So as an Unsightly administrator, you're going to go to your Profile menu and System Settings, and we're going to go to Activity Sets.
All right, so let's create a new one. For example, a new customer welcome. Maybe this is a series of things that you do when you've signed a new deal and you want to make sure that the customer feels loved, and you can apply it for organizations or for contacts, depending on what kind of deal it is.
All right, and there's our new activity set.
Okay, so now we've got to create some activities. So let's go over here to Edit, and we choose an activity type. It can be a task or an event.
Right, and this is where you set up the details of those tasks. When you enter due dates, they're based on a start date and an end date. What happens when you apply the activity set is you'll enter that start date or end date, as we saw.
And as you could see before, it's possible to change the assignment of these tasks right when you're applying the activity set. But here you can change the default. So here, by default, the task will be assigned to Grace.
There you go.
And we'll add just one more for this one. All right, here we'll make it 365 days after the activity set start date. We'll assign it to you, Antonio, and save the activity. All right, just to make sure that it's working, we're going to go to Contacts. And as we know, our friend Kevin Long recently became a customer of ours. So we're just going to apply this activity set. Boom, new customer welcome, starting on the day he became a customer, and these tasks will be triggered automatically. All right, time for you to make your very own task factories.
Or when your company reaches the next level, give the job to Unsightly's intelligent robots.
Workflow automation, the video is coming up next.